That's strange. Someone's queuing for his beloved Catarina. Towel? My towel? Yes, dear. Everyone is afraid to be seen naked. Why is that?
Everyone is what?
Afraid to be seen naked. Yeah? I don't know. Well, in Sitges. You have to turn around here. Sitges. Oh, that was really we made our life difficult. And actually, see the prices of hamaca, sombrilla. You can pay those prices.
12 euros.
Yeah, I thought you would need it for your report. That's what I suspect those things are. They're not. But if it's a gift, it's a gift, yeah. Fine. I'll just get on with it. Up. Yeah, it's a nice one. I mean, this is an easy walk because we don't have anything to climb. Instead of that beach, you could have your drink here, but then toilet is what it is. Didn't walk. I wonder what they're actually. I was filming anything at all. See the food? Oh. The truth is that beer takes life out of me.
Okay.
Make you talk. Can you imagine if you have to reply to everyone? Good. Coming from an extrovert. Look at your sushi. Huh? Japanese. Thai secret. That's what I've always preferred. See this?
Yeah, look at the book.
I should come here for lunch, maybe.
Well, if it works out that we are here and we want to eat, then that's fine.
Yeah. I mean, if you remember, that's what I really.
What we have not had in the hotel yet, the paella. Remember in the magaluf, we had paella regularly. Because I
Yeah.
can't believe that this restaurant.
This. She's wondering.
This is a palapa.
Palapa restaurant. Camino.